would never be thankful that I'd be cheating at the very first chance. I bet you thought that I'd be creeping out. I bet you thought I was a typical man. I wouldn't give her that love that you're giving me. Nobody else can give the kind of love you're giving me. I bet you thought that I'd be doing you one thing again. You want control of every move I make, sweating my job and my caller ID. Truth be told, you're putting my heart at stake. Why don't you just tell me you don't trust me? I never cheated, never lied, never treat you bad. Told me I'm the best love you ever had. If you think about doing me wrong, think again. I won't stress you, girl, I won't mess you around. Don't be tripping, you know I'm down. I won't use you, don't wanna lose your love. Baby, bet I'll be loving you. Hey,
where have you been?
What?
I've been calling your little raggedy cell phone for the last 2 hours.
You have?
You got some kind of nerve not to be returning my phone call.
It was in the car. Listen.
Now you take your little narrow tail right back where you was at. Cause if you think you climbing up in my bed...
I was planning a special evening for us, for us, for us. I won't stress you, girl, I won't mess you around. Don't be tripping, you know I'm down. I won't use you, don't wanna lose your love. Baby, come here. Still loving you through it all. Still loving you, come curtain call. I'll be loving, bet I'll be loving you. Be loving you every day. Still loving you the right way. I'll be loving, bet I'll be loving you. Loving you. Every day they're loving you the right way.